Get creative, unconventional ways to add privacy to your front yard. When it comes to front yard privacy, homeowners default to traditional solutions like fences or hedges. However, with a little creativity, you can transform your outdoor space into a private oasis while enhancing its aesthetic appeal. Here are some innovative landscaping ideas to help you achieve the perfect balance of privacy and style. Embrace unconventional landscaping techniques. Consider employing unconventional landscaping methods that not only provide privacy but also elevate your front yard decor. For instance, tiered plantings can create natural barriers that obscure views while adding dimension to your garden. Incorporating raised beds filled with vibrant flowers and greenery can serve as both a decorative element and an effective privacy solution. Creative garden ideas with vertical elements. Vertical gardening is a fantastic way to maximize space and add an eye-catching focal point to your front yard. Install a trellis adorned with climbing plants, such as jasmine or clematis, to create a lush green wall. This not only enhances landscape privacy but also infuses your outdoor design with texture and color, making it a unique feature that sets your home apart. Unique fencing as a statement piece. Instead of opting for standard fencing, think outside the box with unique fencing solutions. Consider using materials such as decorative metal panels or reclaimed wood to construct a visually striking barrier. These unconventional fencing options can provide the necessary seclusion while serving as a work of art that complements your garden privacy ideas. innovative use of natural features. Leverage the natural features of your property to enhance privacy. Strategic placement of large boulders or the creation of earth mounds can effectively shield your front yard from prying eyes. Additionally, incorporating native shrubs and trees into your outdoor design not only promotes landscape privacy but also supports local wildlife, creating a harmonious ecosystem right in your front yard. The power of garden accessories. Enhance your front yard decor with accessories that offer both style and privacy. Outdoor curtains or bamboo shades on a pergola can create secluded lounging spots, perfect for enjoying the outdoors without feeling exposed. Pair these with garden sculptures or decorative screens to further define your space and keep it visually appealing. By implementing these creative garden ideas, you can achieve a front yard that is not only private but also inviting and beautifully designed. Whether it's through unconventional landscaping, unique fencing, or innovative use of natural features, there are endless possibilities to explore. With some thoughtful planning and gardening tips, you can transform your front yard into a serene retreat that reflects your personal style while maintaining the desired level of privacy. Creating an inviting yet private front yard can be a delightful challenge for homeowners. While traditional fences and hedges are common solutions, there are countless unconventional landscaping strategies that can elevate your outdoor design while ensuring you maintain garden privacy. Here are some innovative ideas to inspire your front yard decor and offer unique privacy solutions. Vertical gardens, a living wall. One of the most creative garden ideas for enhancing front yard privacy involves the installation of vertical gardens. These living walls not only serve as stunning focal points but also act as natural barriers that can shield your space from prying eyes. Utilize a variety of climbing plants, such as ivy or flowering vines, to create a lush, green tapestry. This approach offers both aesthetic appeal and landscape privacy, making your front yard a tranquil retreat. Unique fencing options. When it comes to front yard decor, why not think outside the box? Instead of conventional wooden or vinyl fences, consider unique fencing options like bamboo screens or repurposed materials. For instance, using pallets or old doors can make for an eye-catching and eco-friendly privacy solution. Incorporating artistic elements into your fencing not only enhances the beauty of your yard but also reinforces your personal style. Incorporating unconventional landscaping techniques into your front yard can transform your outdoor space while ensuring privacy. From vertical gardens to unique fencing and layered planting, these creative gardening tips can help you achieve a harmonious balance of style and seclusion. Embrace the art of outdoor design and make your front yard a true extension of your home, where privacy and beauty coexist.